Okay, game 7. By Conley, nagdadala ng bola. Dribble, pass to by Edward. By Edward, naghahanap ng kasama. Screen daw, screen. By Edward. By Edward, nag-dribble, pass to Eldit. Reed, pass to Eldit. Pass to by Edward. Nagdi-dribble. Naghahanap ng kasama, tinira. Pugset, wala. Pasok, bye-bye. Reed. Tuwang-tuwang, taga-bench. By More. By More, nagdadala ng bola. Hop, na-steal ni by Conley. Pinasa kay Red. Pinasa kay by Edward. Tinira ng 3. Basket. By More again. To by Edward. Depensa. Depensa, mahigpit ang depensa ni by Edward kay by More. By More. Pass to Gordon. Gordon to pass to Jokic. Nagpick. Alanganin. Pass to by More again. By More, by More, by More. Pinasa kay Jokic. Tinira ng 3. Wala. Magagawan. Uwan ni Red. Pass to Conley. Conley nagdi-dribble. Nagdi-dribble. Screen daw by Edward. Pass to by Edward. Si by Edward na naman ang dadala ng bola. Nagko-crossover parang magpapasayaw ata. Crossover. Op, nawala si Gordon. Yun lang. Sablay. Rebound by More. By More. Nagdi-dribble. Crossover again. Pasa kay Jokic. Andyan na naman si Reed. Jokic. Foul. By Conley again. By Conley nagmamadali. By Conley nagmamadali. Nagmamadali by Conley. By Conley. Screen by Edward. By Edward humingi ng bola. Pass to by Conley. Nagpick. Ayun, steal ni Jokic. Ay, narambulan na. Nagagawa na. Yun. Jumble. Ay na naman. Jumble again. By Edward nagli-up. Sablay. Wank. By More nagmamadali. By More. Pass to Gordon. Pass to Jokic. Jokic naghanap ng kasama. By More again. Tinira ng 3. Sablay pa rin. Rebound by Eldit. Uy, nadapa si By More. By More. Nagdi-dribble. Jokic. Gusto pumasok. Hindi makapasok. Pinasa kay By More nagpick. Pumasok. Pasok nga. Karl Anthony Towns. Nag-inbound. Pass to by Edward. Yun lang. Last touch. Jokic. Kinaldag si Red. Hook shot. Pasok. Karl Anthony Towns again. Ayun. Nagpapagaw si by Edward. Oh, Edward. Nagdi-dribble. Karl Anthony Towns. Conley. Dumidribble. Conley. Crossover. Walang foul. Nandyan si Town. Pang. Basket. Jokic nagmamadali. Nagmamadali. Tinira. Kisipi. Sablay. By Edward. Tinatawid ang bola ni by Edward. Magpapagaw pa si by Edward. Pass to Eldit. May balak. Boom. Ay, palpal. Pero foul. Jokic. Ay, makadaktak kan lang kahit game 7. Game 7 na kailangan makadaktak pa rin. Pero hindi sayang. Yun na. Eldit, pinaul. Jokic. By More, nagmamadali. By More, crossover. Gustong tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni Town. Tapos na daw ang panahon ng Denver.